Now, if we care to express one quantity as a percentage or another, so just current never had an PG to the quartu agus modificate from gate, given a percentage. So, what if we care for gate for 1% and then to that, the ATG 100%. So, this we surely jante for your junior cert, higher level maths, I guess ordinary level maths actually. Question ratio, proportion, and proportional parts. So, it is what the ratio got 68 is equal to a fraction share in the art, which the quadrant 3 is in the care, which is also 3:4. So, it is what the codin the kinel be good costla make it the costla share is the article at the virtual answer do I guess you to see like a hair, so that's fairly straightforward. But you to can la costla short R2 la geometry hatu la le. So what the intention is just midi handled for arts ran the art. So a ratio to short you to arts give you to share I guess in shen it can journal shen to the goal art dash and art right care so he for care you to care. So that go name you to ratio be la codine at hand single whole numbers you'd hit the week and then to how what is wasn't shen the AL da BJ to the question ratio though. So shin ratio I guess proportion. So make it to cost like where you had na K doc more attention. In practice, proportions are used when two quantities are proportional. So i.e. when one quantity is constant times the other. For example, suppose we want to find the cost of 5 apples given that 3 apples cost 54 cents. So the cost is proportional to the number of apples. So reach x to 5 is 54 to 3. I guess that's just cross multiply and I guess you to x equals 90. Nation balla away he let the and goose proportionality. But a chart he's the bonus percentages in financial transactions. So percentages are used frequently in traditional and financial transactions, and they're often very visible. I.g., large ads in shop windows saying 20% off or 50% off. When it comes to financial transactions, there are a number of terms we should be familiar with. And these are highlighted in the following example. So, Mahumba the heart. So, it is to the tower to go to Nacharmisha Alianis. So, every heen, Drive Hard Computers purchased a laptop from the suppliers for €400 and sold it for €500. So, it is every heen the purchase price. So, shin the cost price, we should €. I guess the selling price shin quick €. So reach when your profit job to mention the brabus is the selling price minus the cost price around €1 the brabus and so this is an absolute value, it is not a percentage. Now it's quite in percentage, it's the profit had on cost price. Okay, so that's the percentage profit. So K this can K hit, I guess you have 25% profit. So this can be referred to as the markup. So it is more cash when you markup. That means it's a 25% markup, and more accurately, the markup percentage. IV, another way of viewing this transaction states what percentage of the selling price is profit. So this is called the margin. So, or more accurately, the margin percentage. So it is, so when you percentage profit, shouldn't the profit Brabus had a cost selling price or cost price. I guess when you margin, that the quarter profit had on selling price by 100%, so it's a 20% margin. So you should note carefully the difference between markup and the margin. The first is percentage of the cost price, while the second is the percentage of the selling price. And then every dawn, Maria buys a car for 10,000 and 2 years later sells it for 6,000. So the depreciation or the horntuition they're highly right at Lua. So the cost price is 10,000 and the selling price is 6,000. So it is the loss. So in your profit to be insurance, so the loss is 4,000 and percentage loss is 40% of the loss over the cost price. Okay. And shouldn't get on really. League John to go for your junior cert. So Mahashimage are exercise 30.2. I guess just your image Justin Darna and Kish Daw Kehershi Archie Daw ye Karjik Shijuk Archik. All right, so could you on? So your image which league all right, let's just stuff shot. So just pick much more random Kishini or 30.2. So Merkin siv kishni heen all the way she's gji quijig. Well, ahan and okay lafashion. Just be looking good there, I guess, but the rudder being the walk to rock and shout. Like, kid can at a ano gji decimal place and just calculator like he and August 3. Care quick she shart just cause the calculator. Art no j he jig erased calculator work. And then ratios. Ahan and okay ratios. For any cash need doi gji quijig. Fairly straightforward. Just Jen, kiss je quijig doing shan. Ahananya Jen, kiss je quijig. 2 minutes and then Ramagerig expect a couple of kiss. Okay, so just Jen kiss je quijig doing shan. Just let you can go on and able the ratio, you know. Quijig jant again, and you? What's you get bomb chella? Thumbs up, chat niece. So, Padre, jig that for a growth do for any kiss you quijig.
Near my shop there,
Neil to add the any?
Near.
Right, okay, so I'm afraid, all right, so it's a tarta goes, you'll add the proportionality, you know, right? So, market as a mille euro, and so proportionality quick art agus shart. So, ruddy anything, something go need quick art agus shart like hella. Is the shin cosm na fee. So, Marinian as a fee is jahan mille head, ranter fee, you to gj. Shaska na way. So just double check the calculator. Ranter fee. Because you to Shaska. So therefore to the goal quick. Medi for Shaska art. Medi for Shaska agus shart. Medi for Shaska. So you to 3 head euro. She art k head art mo euro. Agus she shart carad k head agus a fee euro. Okay, lesson nas padder.
Yeah, you're my good.
Yeah, so it is in the general proportionality. So I mean, truly, so to 20 shares on. So to the giddy up room, made shares on in total. So to 20 shares on, I guess you're session a quick share, art share, a short share. So you do more fit to share a wine. So to share a wine, cost a shaska euro, and then you're not having your quick art, a short share. You think,
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, Rotmuli, I knew for you how you little wrong to me, just go to fuck more grind kishnation div and legima div hall a gashina yenu, and then we claim it back as for you darn the wrong or category do. What's okay? So, just a note on the kishni shot to let the hall. So, me and she kissed over a shark jig fee. So, shark jig fee fish a tree. Usually you and so that's quite good. Fish a quick. Fisa art. 30, 33, agus traha quick. Okay, so my opera shiv are in the destination. Now, will she get it just log all off or will she get it breakout rooms? So then you be to get a breakout room just fun online, then you be to get a log all off agus opera in the destination, he got log all off. But when Dreamlive, cat the fire can sleep so or 20 minutes, so reach behorgum could just mode in the destination jante or lady head quicker jante when you two see head wrong. Okay, so Mutashigiri breakout room fun online on the wall. He got log all off agus Chefmasher or Carrigan do.